Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Poco X3 NFC, and we're going to be talking about how to get live wallpapers for the device. So make sure you guys stay to the end of the video and make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to get those on there. So the first one I'm going to show you is inside of there's an app right here on the app tray. You can see we do have them categorized, all communications, entertainment, photos, and everything like that. So you're just gonna go down until you see the word themes, and that's gonna be already in the software. So you can see I have a really quirky theme on here, and you can see this is one of the live wallpapers. So basically what I want to do is just show you my live wallpapers that I did download on there, because you do have to watch like an ad to get those on there. And then you can see right here, you can go to your live wallpapers from your profile, so you could just hit that. So I'm gonna go into wallpapers. You can see I have live wallpapers, and then I have you know home screen effects, everything like that. So you do have themes that you can put on here as well. So let's go into my live wallpapers. So I have about 5 of them that I did download in here. So let me just show you this one right here. And when you apply it, you can put it as a wallpaper or a lock screen. So this one's actually kind of cool. You can put it, I'm gonna put this one as the lock screen. So I just applied that one. And let me show you what it looks like when you lock the screen. So now you can see, wait, let me get that thing off of the screen. You could kind of see it behind the words and everything like that. So it's kind of cool that you can see that moving. And then I have another one on here that I did download. So I want to show you that. This one right here is actually a little bit cooler. So you could put that on the lock screen or the home screen. I'm going to put that one. Let me show you, see what it looks like on the home screen first. Oh, that's recognizing my face with the facial recognition right now. So that's kind of crazy. So let me show you that right now, guys. And I just want to clean off the front of my screen because I saw there was a lot of dust on it real quick. And I do have the cam shield case for the actual NFC, the Poco X3 NFC. So if you want, I could leave a link for that one as well. But you know, it does help you protect your camera a little bit better. So let's go ahead and check that one out. So that one actually looks cool. You can see it on the top and the bottom of the screen coming through. Let's put the next one that I'm looking at on here on the home screen. Not this one, because that's kind of basic to me, but this one's kind of dope right here. Let's put this on the home screen. And let's check that out as the wallpaper. So this is like what the phone would look like just as a wallpaper. That looks kind of sick. You can see all the colors and stuff like that. Is that Columbus Circle? Oh no, that's not. I thought that was in New York, but that's not New York. And then let me go back here and go to themes and show you this one right here. So this one's kind of sick. I'm gonna put that on the home screen now. And it's like the meteors and everything like that you get on here. And I did actually put the sound search app on here. That's a widget that I have on this device. So you go to the widgets and you can put your different widgets on here. And they have some cool widgets on here for maps. And I have a vast browser on here because it's more secure. And I have some cool other widgets on here. But let's go back into the themes. So you got to go back into the themes right here, and I want to kind of change my theme on my phone as well, and not just the wallpapers. Let's go here, and I have the Android 12, I have Cyberpunk 2077, I have Android 2020 version 12. Let's download a new one and show you what that looks like, and then we'll jump into what the how to get the live wallpapers. So let's see. Let's just, I'm looking for something very simplistic, but also this one looks kind of cool. That's like the iPhone looking one, the iOS 14. It's gonna be too much looking like the iPhone, so I'm good on that one. But This one actually looks pretty cool as well. You get a ton of them on here, so you could just mess around. So when it says premium on there, that it's still, you could still get it. All you have to do, oh snap, they got 7 wolves on here. I'm definitely getting this one. This is one of my favorite themes of all time. I'll show you in just a second why I like this one a lot, and then we'll jump right into the live wallpapers. But this is one of my favorite themes of all time. It's called 7 Wolves. Okay, so it's almost downloading right now. It's free, but the premium one, all you have to do is watch a 30-second ad, and then you can get those free as well. So anything that says premium, you can get free as well. So I think that's pretty cool. But this is my favorite theme that I like to use on any Xiaomi device, and I saw it on here, so I definitely want to download it because I had it on my Redmi Note 8 Pro. And I have a Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. So let me see, hit apply. And when the lock screen on here is crazy. So let me just show you that. All right, so it's different. It's I changed the lock screen, I guess. But it used to have a sick animation on the 7 Wolves one. All right, cool. So in order to jump, you can see the icons change though. That looks kind of sick. That looks real sick. Let's jump back into themes on here. We're gonna click that option, and then we're gonna go into wallpaper down here. After you click wallpaper, go ahead and click this option right here up top where it looks like a moving, you can see right there, it says live, and just hit that. And then these are where you get the live wallpapers, guys. So basically you're gonna just choose from this list. They kind of do refresh them every so often, but you will be limited to these ones in this option unless you download something from third party on the Play Store. But these still look really cool as well. I definitely enjoy using these ones. These are kind of sick. So this is Bubbles Rising. Let me see what this looks like. It says, do you want to agree? And then you can see right here is telling you what it looks like. You can see right there. You can hit download wallpaper, agree, and then you gotta watch a quick ad. So that's gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. And by the way, if you do me a favor, huge favor to the channel, hit both the like and the subscribe button. I definitely appreciate you guys for doing that. Okay, so now that the ad is finished, you can see that it does say data usage warning, and you can agree to it. And then it starts to download the live wallpaper on here. So you could hit apply, and then you could hit lock screen. So now you'll get the bubbles on the lock screen now. So that's pretty much how you would download any live wallpaper from the stock app to your phone. You can see those bubbles are now on there. That looks pretty sick. I really like that one because it's kind of cool. They kind of dissipate after a while. So that looks really cool. But let me know what you guys think about this case. I mean, not this case. this theme, this live wallpaper, and how to get it on the Poco device right here. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section. I'm also gonna show some love to you guys right now, but make sure you show some love and hit the like button as well as the bell icon and show your support as well. This thing has a lot of dust on it, so I'm just kind of cleaning that off. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section right now. But subscribe and get notified, and later, crew. Peace.